Good morning to all. Today we will know that how to find area of rectangle and square. But before this, we will understand the units of area. To find the area of this figure, let us use squares having each side equal to 1 centimeter. Look here children, there is a square and its each side is 1 centimeter. Therefore, we need 6 squares of sides 1 centimeter each. There are 6 squares in this rectangle. So, the area is 6 square centimeter, or we can write like this, 6 square centimeter. The units used to measure area are, as I have provided in earlier classes, square centimeter we can write as SQ for square centimeter, square meter and square millimeter. These are the units to measure the area of square and rectangle. Now come in next page. Area of a rectangle and a square. Look at the given rectangle. Rectangle is given here. Length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. This is the length of rectangle and this is the breadth of rectangle. Length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Let us divide the rectangles into squares. Now we will divide this rectangle into squares. There are 4 columns of 2 squares. There are 4 columns 1, 2, 3, 4 and each column has 2 squares 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and here 1, 2. One column there are 2 squares. In order to find the area of a rectangle, we can also multiply number of columns and number of squares in each column. Number of columns that is 4 and number of squares in each column that is 2. So 4 into 2 squares, that will be 4 2 ja 8 squares and we will write here 8 square centimeter. Because in question length and breadth is given here in centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So we will write here 8 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Similarly, we can find the area of a square. There is a square. Look at the given square. The side is 3 centimeter. The side of this square is 3 centimeter. And number of columns 3. There are 3 columns. And in one column there are 3 squares. There are 3 columns and each column there are 3 squares. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and here 1, 2, 3. So we have to find out the area of a square, that will be number of columns into number of squares in each column. Number of columns that will be 3, 1, 2, 3 and number of squares in each column that will be also 3, 1, 2, 3. So the area is 3 into 3 squares, that will be 3 3 ja 9 squares or 9 square centimeter. So area of a square equal to side into side. Now we have to learn these two formulas. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth and area of a square equal to side into side. After that we will do worksheet 3.